Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's requested video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get more views on YouTube. So if you are currently struggling to get views, then I'm going to share my top tips that in January alone helped me gain 183,000 views. So if you're currently struggling, this is the perfect video for you. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. So make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are the first one notified of any new video that I upload to the channel. So let's go ahead and talk about how you could get more views on YouTube. So the first tip I have for you is have a niche market. Make sure to have a niche down channel so you could rally a community of fans. If you find yourself having a lot of different interests, then I do recommend uploading different videos and seeing what sticks and what takes off. And when you find your winning topic, then you could go ahead and niche down your channel. The second tip I have for you is to create compelling content for your audience. So simply identify what your ideal customer most want to know about, and then create videos that meet their needs. Make sure that you're posting on a consistent basis. And this is the best way to develop a loyal community of fans and get more views on YouTube. Tip number 3 is to encourage viewers to subscribe, almost like what I just did a few seconds ago. Never assume that your viewer could read your mind. Tell your viewers what type of action you want them to take next. You could even encourage viewers to not only subscribe to your channel, but you could point them to your next video, and you could even promote your website or products. Tip number 4 is to create a playlist to keep people watching. And playlist allows viewers to watch many videos at once. And this helps keep viewers watching your channel, and is probably one of the quickest way that will help you increase your channel views. Tip number 5 is to add a watermark to your videos. And adding a watermark to your videos on YouTube, not only would it help you make, look more professional, but can also increase the awareness of your brand and help you grow your views. When a viewer hovers their mouse over a watermark, it prompts them to subscribe and therefore keep coming back to your videos, and therefore also increases your YouTube views. Tip number 6 is to nurture your community. It just isn't enough to just regularly share videos. You also need to actively engage your audience. You need to simply respond to every single comment, especially to questions. This will help you build a channel with raving fans who love to come back and watch all of your videos, and therefore also help you increase your views. Tip number 6 is to optimize your video titles. Make sure to insert the keywords you want to rank for naturally in the video title. This will help you get found in the YouTube search engine, drive more traffic back to your YouTube channels, and guess what happens after that? You increase your views. So make sure that you start doing that as well. Tip number 9 is to make sure that you share your YouTube videos. Think of your YouTube videos like any other piece of content. Make sure you share your videos across all of your social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and any other social sites that you currently use to promote your business. This will not only help you get more views, but also grow your YouTube channel subscribers at the same time. So make sure that you start doing that on a regular basis. Another tip is to make sure you share your videos with your email list. This is a tactic that will help you increase your views and always have views on every new video that you upload. And this also will ensure to get your videos out there to your followers, build trust with them as well. And another one that not too many people talk about is to run a Google Ads campaign. In the beginning, when you're just starting out your channel, the views are going to be very low, and that's pretty normal, to be quite honest. But a quick way to boost your views is by running Google Ads. You could spend as little as $5 per day to get some views. And this doesn't break any rules on YouTube since it's a paid campaign with real people who will decide whether they want to watch your videos or not. So by following these tips, it will help you gain more views on your YouTube channel, and you'll start seeing a consistent growth on your channel as well. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about getting views on YouTube. And if you currently have a YouTube channel, I would love to see it. Make sure that you drop your links right below with a brief description of what your channel is all about. And thanks everyone for watching.